My name is Markus Meyer. I'm responsible for high-resolution lighting modules at Mercedes-Benz. I really like that movie because of two things. First, it is beautifully showing the history of the S-Class. Second, because it's showing the capability of the optical system of the new S-Class. You can even watch a comic movie on the headlamp of the car. Honestly, this is one of the only cars in the world which is capable of doing it because it's having a special movie interface in it. When talking about digital light, we're talking about three families: performance, assistance and communication. Communication is what you just saw. When I was unlocking the car, the S-Class was welcoming me with a shooting star-like animation. Performance, I will show you right now. Performance describes the improvement that we have in conventional light functions. New, for example, is the improvement in partial high beam. The gap around the car in front of us was never as tight as it is right now. The smoothness of the system remembers you of a mechanical system, but at the same time we do have the high speed and the capability of tracking multiple objects at the same time, as only a digital system is able to do it. Completely new to road traffic is the family assistance. Assistance describes projections from the headlight onto the street right into the field of view of the driver. One example of a warning is our stop sign alert. Stop sign alert is triggered when the driver is tending to oversee a stop sign. As you can see, digital light in the new S-Class is way more than a funny gadget to play comic movies. Now let's have a look into the technology of digital light. We do have our headlamp here. Mainly there are 4 modules. On the outside we've got our base light, which is responsible for the light carpet directly in front of the car. Underneath it, it's the high range. That one is pushing the brightness on straight roads. In the middle we find our multi-beam module with 84 pixels. At the inner part of the car we do have our highlight, the DMD module, with more than 1.3 million pixels. Those pixels were projecting the movie that we just saw. In reality we are not projecting movies for entertainment, but we are projecting light distributions for safe and comfort driving at nighttime. For this calculation we do have an ECU on the backside of the headlamp. This ECU is calculating in real time light distributions that are perfectly fit to the traffic situation that is present. To get the present traffic situations we need sensors. Our most important sensor is the camera. The other one is the navigation system, and then we are using car data like steering wheel angle, curve acceleration and similar. How about we change perspective towards the driver's seat now?
Even before the journey starts, your Mercedes greets you with a brilliant light show, courtesy of digital light. Digital light also ensures that you have optimum visibility while driving. Just ahead of a steep hill, the range of the dipped beam headlamps will normally shorten. The innovative topographical compensation system reacts predictively on the basis of navigation data to raise the light cone. This ensures that the beam hugs the topography close at all times. The surface of the road is evenly illuminated and other road users are not dazzled. Roadworks can often be tight and confusing. Digital light displays a symbol to alert you in good time if it detects roadworks. The system projects 2 lines of light for guidance purposes, indicating the width of your Mercedes and so providing better orientation when the lanes are narrow. Some traffic signs greatly reflect light. By selectively reducing the light intensity, digital light minimizes their glare effect. Pedestrians in the road can be very difficult to see, especially at night. If the system detects a person in the road, digital light emits a marker light to indicate their position. If a stop sign is missed, digital light will work in conjunction with traffic sign assist to project a warning symbol onto the road. This same enhanced warning system is also used with red traffic lights, or if the driver attempts to enter a road against the permitted direction of travel. For maximum visual range on long, straight stretches without traffic, the ultra-range high beam kicks in automatically. Thanks to our anti-dazzle partial high beam, you retain optimum visibility at all times, despite the presence of other road users. If the system detects oncoming traffic or vehicles driving ahead of you on the road, the high-resolution high beam is adjusted with the help of more than 2 million micro mirrors.